Hey everybody! So I got all the black anodized Subaru Handbrake shipments in, and wanted to show you guys what they look like. So let's do one with bias. So these are just sort of protective sleeves to keep them nice. First, you've got a little bundle of hardware. If I can get it out of here one-handed. You've got a little bundle of hardware, fully made in the USA. So in here we have our little brake bias mount. This is based off of tilt-in, both of the knob style and the lever style brake biases. This can be flipped in two different ways. So you can see the horizontal piece here is actually offset. So you can actually flip this and it'll go lower on the mount, or you can flip it and you can make it go higher. You also have the ability to, there's actually 3 positions on each side here for the screws to bolt in the bias, and you're able to, with that, you're able to tilt the bias, essentially tilt it this way, tilt it this way. You're also able to flip it and mount the bias however you need to. And then of course with that you get a bunch of hardware. So this mount is made for pretty much most Subarus, so you get a mix of hardware for older cars and hardware for newer cars like GR, VA. The GCGD stuff is this smaller bag. The bigger bolts and nuts are GR, VA. So that's what you get in that end of things, but let's pull this thing out. Boom, look at this. Super nice. Black anodized. It's got our Broken Motorsports logo etched in, super clean and nice. You also get it on the back here, so you know where this came from. This shows you here the adjustability of the handbrake mount. So when you have it mounted here, you can, the pivot point in the front is here, and you can actually make it come towards you, angle it towards you, or you can make it parallel with the trans tunnel, whatever suits your needs. So, and then you can see the multiple holes for GCGD, GR, VA. I did test this on a BC Legacy. It does fit BC Legacy. It should fit pretty much everything with a manual transmission that is Subaru. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I decided to show you guys what it looks like all mounted up with a Nameless handbrake. I'm not going to mount it in a car, but at least show you some of the features of what we can do here. So here we have a Nameless hydraulic handbrake mount. This is a standalone setup, not a pass-through, so it's got its own little reservoir. You can run a pass-through cylinder here and use it in line with your rear brakes if you wanted to. But this basically shows you everything, including our hydraulic tilt and bias mount. And then with the Nameless mount in place, I've actually left the pivot screw loose and the back screw loose. So we have a slotted section in the back, and you can see we can move it to be basically parallel. You can make the cylinder parallel with the trans tunnel, or you can actually slide it pretty far over to have it sort of angle towards you as you're seated in the driver's position. So yeah, if you like Subarus, like we do here, get yourself a hydraulic brake mount. This is for GC, GD, GR, VA, and like I said, fits most other Subarus with a manual transmission. BC Legacy we test fitted on, so we know for sure on that. More than likely it fits Foresters, other Outbacks and Legacies, probably Baja. So if you're putting a hydraulic handbrake in your car and you want to do the fun drifty things, rally car, drift car, hill climb car for quick turnarounds on some hairpins, this is the easiest solution for you. Direct bolt in, and then it takes the bolt pattern for the hydraulic handbrake mount is actually based off of a Willwood base mount, and we do know that the Nameless handbrake mounts fit as well. So like I said, get yours today, bleedingtarmac.com.